Hi, I'm Bailey Jones, Vice President at Check Into Cash. I lead the innovation and strategy to provide zero friction for the consumer. When selecting a business partner or hiring a new employee, they have to be able to add value. If you don't add value, we don't need you. With Robosoft Technology's experience, expertise, and knowledge in emerging technology, it turns to what it is into what it can be. The project management and status reporting utilizing Google Sheets helps communication be smooth and consistent all across the board. Robosoft helped engineer and design our mobile app, and when it was all done, they achieved it with high quality, timely manner, and a great end result for the consumer. I particularly want to thank you, Robosoft, both the team in the US and the delivery team in India. We achieved a 4.6 rating across the iOS and Android. I recommend Robosoft Technology and look forward to working with them in the future.